Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we discussed the first chapter of Think and Grow Rich, where Napoleon Hill talks about the importance of desire and the six practical steps to turn it into rich. In this video, we will dive into the second chapter, where Hill emphasizes the power of desire. Desire is the starting point of all achievement. It's the driving force that pushes you to take action towards your goals. But how do you develop a burning desire? Napoleon Hill says it's not just a wish or a want, it's an intense, pulsating desire that dominates your thoughts and action. Hill shares example of people who achieved great success through their burning desire, like Edwin C. who wanted to work with Thomas Edison and eventually became his business partner. The key is to fix your desire in your mind and never let it go. Here are some ways to cultivate a burning desire. Fix your goal and never let it go. Write down your goal and read it aloud twice daily. Believe in your ability to achieve it. Take action towards your goals every day. Don't let obstacles discourage you. So, what's holding you back from achieving your goals? Share with us in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.